Alright, some people may have a live for share with you. Seeing TJ over Blinga, I explain to Blinga what go on between him and Rosealee because it seems like Rosealee go over Blinga, you know what I mean, go tell Blinga what go on with she and TJ, you know what I mean, and you hear them say there is three sides to every story, my side, your side, and the truth, you know what I mean. So it's best you hear both sides and come to your conclusion. So he might go explain to Blinga what really go on. So make we get tonight, my people, and hear what he must say.
Everything from the app. This is not something to talk about, but I just have to talk about it just to prove the point. Say, yo, I have no problem with Rosa at all. Anyways, she come back, come friend me, and then tell the people them say, yo, TJ a good youth and Ray this and that. Work in my head was good, but as I say, I nah forget what she do. Anyways, moving to last night now. May I play? Ashley sent me one request the day before. I never play. We play a 3 match or 6 match we did good. Last night we play again, right? Jayden come in at the live and him start talk. And I say something more. Him bring up some rose conversation. Something. And I say, yo, bro, I understand what you say. You see me? Him never say nothing bad. All the youth say, he must say, yo, like him pretty much I say, him and Rose good, but him now forget certain things. Like him must say, them now gonna be so close again. Nothing is wrong with that, and in public say it. You understand? Nothing wrong with that. After that, now the girl come in, what's her name? Ashley come back in at the live now, and she say, me ask her, come here say, yo, if Jayden and Rose good, I don't know what happened to Ashley and Rose. So I say, yo, you and Rose good, cause basically Jayden and Rose good. She said no, she don't think so because Rose always a bully her. And then I say, yo, I understand you can't just love people from afar. That's it. The girl never diss Rose, none at all. After that, now everything done, Blinga. Here we go now. Everything done. When me I scroll through my TikTok now, me hear her cuss this and the whole heap of disrespect and thing, and then I say, yo, Blinga, normally I just say, sure, a Rose. But that time I Blinga, it just upset me. So I say, yo, Rosealee, go suck your mother, cause you're too annoying now, man. Every day, sir. Like me literally not do. First and foremost, she vex say, I put out a video where I actually did evil. Somewhat I take her aside and I explain the whole spitting her back thing. I explain to the people. You can watch the video, they're on my page. I say, yo, I know Sarah was terrible, but I don't believe she's spitting at the drinks and give Jayden for true. You understand?
DJ, when you're on the live with Ashley,
yeah.
When you're on the live with Ashley, and Ashley that talk about Rose. Rose just left the live a little while and say, she and Jayden have an agreement, say, this one now gonna talk about that one, and that next one now gonna talk about that one. And Ashley talk about her with you. When
first and foremost, I never know that. Secondly, the girl never say nothing bad, Blinga. She literally say, yo, she and Rose now gonna be cool because Rose always a bully her, and Rose come ask certain questions about who for front good. And that is where me say, no, then well on. Me pretty much I run a joke now. So me I say, well on, Jayden I gonna know who for front better if a Rose or Ashley. So me say, well on, so Rose or Ashley in a thing, which was a joke. Cause everybody know say Jayden and Rose in a nothing. So that was pretty much a joke. The woman never said nothing bad at all about Rose, none at all, Blinga. The screen recording are there. As for me say, after the whole of that now, I get to understand say Rose that they are cuss out my ass and she disrespect my woman and a bag of fuck it. When I just get upset and I say, yo, you know what? Rose, go suck your mother. Zin? You see after that, I just say, yo, John, like me just tell myself, I say, yo, here what? Really and truly, I know if you bother this Rose because it wouldn't even make no sense. You understand? At this point, I never did my yard. Yeah.
Me hear everything what you say.
Yeah.
Why you pull up a Rose at 2 o'clock in the morning?
I'm getting to that right now.
Alright, some people, you see, TikTok are one toxic place. You know what I mean? TikTok is a toxic place. See, I'm going to tell you something. Not everybody, you know, the whole heap are back and forth and argument. You know what I mean? So, some people are going to come to you directly. You see me? Which way, when you go to a person directly, it kind of shows, say, boy, you know what I mean? them fi love you or else. You understand? While it can mean say yo, me not really dep on the whole heap of back and forth on the internet. Me just want tell you straight up say yo a go on. Please stop calling me name. And nothing on the back of it. Right? But when you pull up so late in the night, it look a way still. You know what I mean? Although it maybe not really mean nothing by it. Anything could have happened still in the people.
You notice how quick she said I was already in the area. Zane? Anyways, Jayden did still alive. So I message Jayden, because she blocked me at this time. I don't have no number for, she blocked me for everything. I don't have no number for Rose. Zane? At this time, I say, yo, Jano Star, because Blinga, so I stay with everybody on the app. Everybody when me and them follow them can tell you. I don't have no time for no internet drama. I am not about that life. Me say, you know what? Maybe if me really go to Rose in person and talk to her, she will actually get say, Rose, stop the fucking man, you know say me ain't have nothing. So I message Jayden pan him live. I say, Jayden, tell Rose say I'm outside, I want to talk to her, tell her say I come for apologize. Bear in mind, I did not stop across from Rose yard. There's a pink shop there beside her. So I say, Rose, so I tell Jayden, I say, yo, tell Rose say yo me there at the pink shop. Blinga should just send you the recording. You need to listen to the recording. You put in your headphone and listen to the recording. When me tell Jayden say, yo, tell Rose I'm outside, I just want to talk to her and apologize. Me no come with no farmer badness, nothing at all. But hold on, before me even get this, when
somebody share the live to Rose for me, please.
Yeah, man, you can't add her, man.
Share the live
no matter which AM, me depend on the road.
Share the live to Rose for me.
It no matter what hours, brother. I done there in the area already. I know say Rose right there. So I say, yo, and Rose is a night person for the door. No, Rose not sleep. And people up on the road. And I never even know say her daughter there. I never see nobody. And Rose alone come out. Anyway, because after that, I run joke and I say, Rose, it's not even me come here. So that the people must say, yo, me I tell her, guys, it was me. Obviously, I was if in the ear, if in the pan the life from the beginning, we would have known say me I run joke. Anyways, when Rose come out, Mr. Rose, yeah, the whole of this is recorded, Blinga. Mr. Rose, where you go with knife? And she immediately she start calls. Right. So I say, all right then, here what? Rose, me need you to stop. If you listen good, you actually hear what me say. Rose, when me do you know me not do you nothing. That in the recording what you just send you can go listen it.
All right, TJ, how you know where Rose live?
I know what you mean by how I know where Rose live. Rose, if I see you.
You went there before?
No, I know where Rose live because I have people that see you, Blinga.
TJ, I want you to calm down. Listen.
I am not up to where the fuck is Rose.
No, I have a lot of things to ask you. You say you show up at Rose yard last night, so it's obvious you ask somebody where Rose live.
Rose, listen, which part of Rose is not no, she basically live on one main.
All right, fine. No, she live on the main and you don't know. Somebody obviously told you, right?
You know, you know, say, Blinga, I already have an idea which part Rose live because I frequently hear, she just don't know. I just don't link with Rose because I don't really want, I can't take the bag of something.
People, share the live to Rose for me, please.
So as I explained to you, me just got there to tell Rose, and if you listen to the screen recording what she tell you, you will hear it.
I just didn't need
you need to play it. You need to play it. Mr. Rose, first and foremost, where you go with night and she start cuss. Mr. Rose, what me do you need to stop. You need to stop and she did there cuss because I'm say what you say, you're not taking no talk. I'm say, all right then, look more. I say later, I'm a drive off and I hit that. Blinga, Rose are first and foremost, I see you this way I talk about. You think me an idiot for just, whether or not I did have people around there. You think me an idiot for just, they in a see view them hours a night, and say, yo, me I go page Rose. Big getter like that, but I know say she that, remember say I know say she live and everything, you know. I know say she live, cause remember say me the pan her live. Well, Jayden live, and a Jayden she that play. Cause she done black me. So Blinga, when people make it seems as if I come for the Rose, what the fuck I come and do to Rose?
You see this thing about people, it blow way out of proportion. You see me I say, I just that me have to say. And on a level, maybe TJ I look back on wagwan. And you must say, yo, you know, so me shouldn't do that because people can say anything, you know. You understand me? I say all when him never go for do or nothing. She can say anything and make it look a weird for him. And people are gonna look on and say, yo, you pull up on her so late in the night. That means say you want to try to drive certain type of vibe in her fishy top calling name or whatever. But he must say him did in the area. And me no think say him dey on the time like fi do or nothing or them type of way them just want tell her say yo yeah hear me top call my name. But you have to be careful where you are because anything could have happened in the night there. And as him say a ghetto area, you see me I say, and sometimes some things just escalate before you can even catch what really are going on. So let me know what you think, me people. We are gonna watch some more.
Alright then. Alright, so that we want you clarify, you know?
No, she know. Listen to Blinga, you're not hear what I say. Rose
yeah, what you say no.
Rose know within her soul, say, Blinga, it no make no sense. Me can't be this peaceful person and then say, yo, me I come and preach violence.
Exactly, because we shock.
Then, Blinga, then you're no more shock. You're no more shock, Blinga. Me tell you, say, I am just, yo, you have to do something to me in a real life, and me can do something in a real life. I just saw me stay. When me and anybody fall out, I always go to them for just talk to them in person. Because you say if you really fall out with me in person, obviously I go want to do me something. You understand? Everyone, all of the people them want to know some fall out with. You can ask them. I meet all of them in person. Every single one of them. When I need to even call nobody. I'll just... Anyways, we're not talking about that. But that's what I explain to you, Blinga.
Yeah.
Rosealee already know, say. She know. It's not like say she don't know. But she want... She just want people run with the narrative, yeah. And because it was 2 a.m., like Rose, you know, say normally out, well, they on live or you're outside them time. You know, say, see you always a keep. People they on the road. You understand? Don't make it look like say, yo, my drive come, like me, it's this madman for drive come in and see you gone and say, yo, me I come
so we look funny. But I know so we look funny and the people that look funny do
No, I don't really care. Most of done people are going to look funny that way there. Most of done people. But everybody know how me stay. Like, it don't make no sense. Remember, say years, Rose, of this me, you know? I'm always stay silent. The most I do, I make me look a song and I call her name night. It is not even a big disrespect. Otherwise, from one of them, when she did really, I go hard. You see me? So, you know, if she feel threatened, she need to go station, because she going to get locked up for that. Because you come out with knife when me I say, Rose, what you do with knife? Listen to the voice note.
Hold on now. Me hear everything what you say.
And this are just know say this nobody tell me about no quote later. This a one time I talk about things and that's it, you know.
No, do not quote on this.
Yeah, me not gonna have no time for it.
Alright, so listen to what me say.
Yeah, me that's make you know.
Alright. When you're deep on the live with Jayden last night and you come off of the live, what run through your head last night? Oh, me a grow on a rose yard now. Alright, me grow on a rose. What happened?
I already answered the question, the Blinga. I say, yo, you know what? Literally, it come like say I have to talk to Rose in person. For she say, me not have nothing against you. I do not hate you. With the more you there disrespect me, I'm a woman. My woman actually admire how Rose funny. And that's the hurtful part in the Blinga. That's why I explain to you. It's not like saying, what me need for pre-Rose for? But me tell you, say Rose, Rose have this good thing. I'm say it in a movie. I say Rose know how to manipulate people. You see, because I'm not try body shame nobody. Rose just know how to use all of this little thing where she have this little low self-esteem and people are bully her. And she know within her soul, say I am not that type. She know. Remember, say, me go talk to Rose to begin with, you know, from the early days, you know, Blinga. I not hear you.
Where you say, TJ?
No, me I explain to you, say, Rose, no, say, me not have no problem with her, none at all. Like, me no need to have a problem with Rose, none at all. The only problem I have with Rose is, just as how when me used to talk to her and she used to cuss and go, me used to tell her, say, Rose, remember, say you have Pitney and grew up, come see them recording and you can't behave certain way, you can't say certain things. Like you don't need fear cuss and go on. So But as what I say, in the back of Rose's mind, she basically always put out this narrative, say, oh, people are take set pan her because of how she look and how she shape. No, Rose.
Alright, some people on the ear, me did I tell you, say, yo, are the way all people grow up more wild, make them act a certain type of way. You see me? So, the low self-esteem where she maybe grow up with because she fatter than everybody else and people trouble her about it and them way there. You understand? That kind of put her like, you know what I mean, a chip on her shoulder a certain way. And some of the time, people know how to use certain things to them advantage. So, you must say she manipulative. Well, some of the time you have to kind of use what you have, you know what I mean, to your advantage. Whether it be, and another thing, my people, you see persons who love to play the blame game and play victim, avoid them people. You see me, I say, because Rosealee is a person where Rosealee is not a walkover. Because me hear Rosealee angle enough people on TikTok and she deal with them in the wickedest way. You understand? So it's like she choose one mood for inner, although you can't make people walk over you.
At more time, oh, you come and you address the people, them and you not have no, Rose not have no limit.
TJ, me I go add Rose cause me don't know why me cannot get Rose over here. What's wrong with her other accounts?
So tell her if you're in her live and come over.
Why? No. Be the friend, sir. Be the friend.
Who are the friend? Rose, no, you may say Rose. Well, I know Rose.
No cussing Rose. No cussing.
Me can't talk again every time. No,
Rose, go on.
Blinga, me. I want the blood clot. These never believe. Me not gonna stay here.
No, Rose, listen.
No matter what this one I try to show you.
Rose, listen.
Believe, me no want.
No, Rose, listen.
Stay upon the live, man. Stay upon the live.
Me want to tell you something, Rose. TJ say, him never come at your house last night for hurt you. Him say him in the area and him just come and say, you know what?
I don't know nothing, Miss Adi.
No, me I tell you.
What are the Blinga? Wait this. Blinga.
Me know someone, me know.
Blinga.
You put up a somebody.
Blinga, what are the Blinga?
Where I think I run through them, man. Where me, but know say I come on.
But discover something last night.
You never.
Alright, make she talk. Voila. Come on, I want to cut off. Blinga. I discovered something last night and I use it on Rose. I know how to get Rose to tell the truth. Last night, I said, Cash, you know what? You know the first thing Rose
do? You can't get me discover to tell no truth.
Well, I'm going to get up. Alright, I'm going to do it again. This
Rose. You come on my yard. You work with manipulation. You come on my yard at 2 a.m. Why you never tell? Alright, why you never talk to Jayden and say, Jayden, tell Rose come out her yard more and talk to her.
That's exactly what he tell. What you mean?
He never said that. He never said that.
What you mean? The man tell you exactly that.
No.
Well, TJ, make you talk. TJ, make you talk.
Alright.
Because we try to solve it. That's why you come. Just calm down. Let me see if me can get
exactly what Mr. Tell her some more and talk. I want to apologize.
Let me hear what them say, Rose.
Jayden, tell her the message.
What me come over, Miss Blinga? What me come over? Ever say no, Miss Blinga? TJ, if me and TJ ever text now, not bro. Because over there,
what kind of text you talk about, brother? You
no, she have to the people them say we planet, bro. Is it, bro?
All right, Jayden, me want to ask you one question. Me just come off my phone with Rose, like what? Not the phone, the match. Rosa say you and her make agreement. Say, all right, we not talk about one another. You not talk about she not talk about you.
No. Miss Blinga, what we make a agreement about? We make an agreement. She not go talk about Ashley. And Ashley not go talk about she.
Yes, and she said Ashley did a talk about her and she said what pissed her off is the fact that Ashley did a talk about her now pan
TV. I don't know no bad. Ashley said Blinga, that's what me explain.
She never listen about But me tell Ashley in front of her face, me can't control nobody Miss Blinga. You see, all me saying on the screen recording, all me say is me I say me and Rose can't be bench and batty like how we usually be.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying.
Me can't do that again, bro. If me and Rose play a match, we play a match. Me can't fake it. Me not just tell the truth.
Rose, TJ, all right. With that being said, TJ, I say, him never come to your yard did for no war or anything.
Blinga, I don't want to ask it that way there. You have to do it the way how me do it last night. Because last night she tell people, say me threaten her with all. I say, yo, me I promise her a shot. So this is how you have to get Rose to tell the truth. Because I just understand, say she afraid of God for true.
Yeah, me
So
tell no blood clot truth. You are gunman. A gunman thief.
Yeah, no,
a gunman and thief are all.
Alright, Rose, I have a question for you, Rose.
Walk forward. You have no question.
Rose,
blood
you see, you have no answer.
You could have a gun in your car. You could have come with gun in your car.
Rose,
you can't tell me nothing. You pull up on me yard in a black clothes. My daughter see you.
Rose, me never in a full black.
I want me start to be a bad area, so I'm not take the blood clot chat from you. You speed off. You don't have no right to come in my yard. I want to live on the main tunnel.
It was not in your yard.
I'm going to walk and see the court on the bumble clot live. I'm going to yard with my pitney brother. Don't come in my yard. Me and a fuck.
You hear that now?
What you leave, I don't tell me
alright, so here Blinga. As what me I say, Blinga, this is how me get
Miss Blinga, TJ, you're wrong there, so still.
Yeah, if anyone say me, no, well, I know, yeah, what I know.
TJ now said, TJ, boy.
Alright, so people, when I level still, you can't tell a person how to feel. If you pull up at them place so late in the night, you can come for any type of time. You see me? But, you know what I mean, female link the friend and tell him, say, yo, tell her, say she come out and talk to her, whatever. You see me? I say, but this kind of blow out of proportion with people, and more than advise nobody to do something like this, because anything could have happened. Because him say she come out and she start cuss and go on away. You know what I mean? So even if him did go to talk to her, it reached on a level where even the people them could have come in and I say, yo, I want to go on in the community, and she could have said, you know what, say him come here to do whatever, and right there, so big thing go on. So he make a wrong move there, so which way him should have do not like that again. Maybe if him did go look earlier on, it wouldn't look so bad.